How many of you track your health with some kind of tool? I don't know, the Jawbone, the Fitbit, whatever. How many of you did a DNA test with 23andMe or something like that? One? Only one? Serious? Okay. The next company is very interesting, I think, because it's in this business and they basically are disrupting and try to find a new revolution in the health tracker world. And instead of using the DNA, they use blood to do this kind of analytics. So it's a very, very interesting concept. And we have here the founder of the company. The company is Insight Tracker. A big round of applause for Gil Blunder. Hi, Gil. Nice to have you here. Hi, Gil. Very happy to see you. I'll let you the stage. Thanks.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Gil Blunder, and I'm the founder and chief scientific officer of Insight Tracker. And today I will discuss how can you optimize your performance using physiological monitoring. So our vision is, I think that is a big vision, but we would like to, in the near future, to use our smartphone in order to find what's happening inside our body. So basically, use your smartphone, you prick your finger, and you know immediately what's happening inside your body, and then you can intervene. In addition, you can maybe even spit on your iPhone, and then you will know what's happening in other part of your body. And last but not least, I hope that we won't do it, but maybe you can even pee on your iPhone and then know what's happening in other part. But be serious. Those are what we call biomarkers, but there are also other information that we can extract for ourselves, and now as Marco described a few seconds ago, you can use some physiological monitoring, like a pedometer, like heart rate, like blood pressure, and those can, again, stream into a smart algorithm that will tell you each time, every moment that you move, what should you do next in order to optimize yourself and make you in the best shape as ever. So another thing that is very important for us is the accuracy. And why it is important? Because let's assume that you have done some blood test and the blood test said that your glucose is too high. And then you basically have some intervention, but basically it's not too high, so you just made an intervention for nothing. So accuracy is extremely important as well. Personalization. So you can see here a very nice slide from an Italian company, United Color of Benetton. And you can see how each person is unique. And that's amazing. It's really nice. I think that the Italians are doing a great achievement in make a great fashion. But we are not doing it inside our body. We don't know how do I different than you. And that's very important, because if you know that, then we can give you some intervention that are specific for you, and not a cookie cutter intervention. Speed is also extremely important. And why is it important? Let's say go back to the iPhone application. Let's assume that you prick your finger in the morning, and 2 minutes later will tell you you don't need to eat oatmeal today, you need to eat banana because your glucose is too high or whatever. So that's very important, and we are trying to work on that as well. Automation is extremely important for us, but also important, I think, to any startup that is in the world. And the reason for that is where you are automated. First of all, you don't need to hire zillions of people. You can run the business with a very small amount of people. And second, all the customer experience will be always the same. So it doesn't matter if it's the X or Y, everyone will get the same customer experience. Science is also very, very important. And each of our recommendations is based on science. So you won't get any recommendation from Insight Tracker that is not based on peer-reviewed scientific publication. Availability. So we are located in the US, and if you will ask a lot of US companies, they will say that the US is what's important and the rest of the world don't care about it. And I strongly disagree. Actually, I'm originated from Israel, so I understand your frustration. And we wanted to have our product available all over the world. So a few weeks ago, we just launched a new product that's called HomeKit that now everyone in the world can use it, and I will discuss it in a few minutes. Last but not least, we strongly believe that food is the drug of choice. So there are 7,500 food items in the world, and if you look carefully about what you ate in the last week, you will see that on an average consumer use only around 20 kind of food items. So out of 7,500, we leave almost 7,500 out, and we use only the 20 that we used to use. That's fine, but sometimes if you need just to modify one or two of them in order to improve one issue, that can make a huge difference. Okay, so after this introduction, I would like to answer this question and actually to answer it as well. What do people ranging from consumer to elite athletes want? And I think that the answer is very simple. We'd like to look better, we'd like to decrease fat and increase muscle. We'd like to feel better, to decrease pain and increase mood and energy. We'd like to perform better on the court, on the job, and also in the bed. We'd like to recover, to improve sleep and repair of the body. And last but not least, we'd like to increase our lifespan. We'd like to live longer, but also to improve the quality of the life and delay the onset of aging-related diseases. So how can we do that? So I'd like to start with the analogy of the car. So every 10,000 kilometers or so, you take the car to the technician plug a computer into the car, and immediately can tell you what is wrong with the car. Should I replace oil filter, air filter, or other part of the cars? You do that, and then the car is good for another 10,000 kilometers. Now, a research showed that before this intervention was introduced in the 80s in the US, the average lifespan of a car was 100,000 miles. While now, after this intervention, the average lifespan of the car is 200,000 miles. So basically, simple intervention, every 10,000 kilometers, you go to the technician, plug it to the computer, you increase the lifespan of a car by twice. So basically, let's assume if we will do it for ourselves and it will work, we might live to 160, which is great. The question is, how can we do it for ourselves? Let's continue with the analogy of the car. So instead of plugging a computer to the car, we can plug a needle to our vein or just prick our finger and drop a few drops of blood. Then we'll know what's happening with our body. Do we need to replace oil filter, air filter, or oil? We'll do that. The body will be good for another 10,000 kilometers, and then we'll check again, see what's happening, and so on and so forth. So of course, we don't need to replace oil filter or air filter, but we might need to change our diet a bit. We might need to change our exercise regime. We might need to change our lifestyle, or we might need to take some supplement or stop taking other supplement that we don't need. So in addition to that, we decided to develop a new term that's called optimal zone. So when you go to your physician, it doesn't matter if you are a male or a female. It doesn't matter if you are Italian, Portuguese, or Spanish, or even Japanese. It doesn't matter if you are old or young. It doesn't matter if you are an Olympic athlete or a couch potato. It doesn't matter if you are drinking like crazy or you are a monk. You will get the same range. And we showed that that's really wrong. So we developed a range that basically called the optimal zone. So based on your age, gender, ethnicity, athletic activity, amount of alcohol that you are drinking, amount of exercise you are doing, you have your optimal zone. All of that extracted from a peer-reviewed scientific literature that we did together with, I have a group of MIT, Harvard alumni that basically mining the literature, extract this information, and then based on that, we can tell you where is your optimal zone. Then we can tell you whether you are inside your optimal zone, below or above, and the question is, okay, what next? So the next is pretty straightforward. So we develop a sophisticated algorithm that go via those big database, and based on that, extract recommendations that fit for you. So we develop a database of 7,500 food items that the algorithm can mine into, and based on that, can give you a recommendation whether you need to eat more banana or apple, or maybe don't eat fruit at all. A supplement database that can tell you whether you need to take supplement X or Y. And actually, we've seen with our thousands of customers that a lot of them are taking a lot of multivitamin that they don't need to take, and that's give them more harm than help them. Exercise changes. So I can give you an example. If you are a runner and you have low iron, maybe you should run a bit less, because when you run, you deplete the amount of iron in your blood. And lifestyle changes. An example is if you have low vitamin D, maybe you need to expose yourself more to the sun and not to the fluorescent light that most of us are exposing ourselves right now. So now I would like to show you a short demo. I apologize that it's not online because it's hard here to connect to the internet, but you can go to insighttracker.com demo and see that. So basically, what you see here is an example of what we call the blood work page. And on the left, you can see the example of vitamin D, and you can see a graph that shows that basically this guy have a low vitamin D. Then it's explained to him what does it mean to have low vitamin D. And below that, you can see some sentences that are connected to a reference. So when you click on them, it will take you to the peer-reviewed scientific publication and show you what does it mean. Why have we decided to include this information? And on the right, you can see some recommendation. So on the top, you can see a few food items that you should eat more. Below that, you can see some intervention, such as a supplement that you might need to take, some change in the diet, and some change in the lifestyle. But as I said at the beginning, it's very important for us to focus on nutrition. So the next part of the application is the nutrition page. Here you can see an example of food that you should eat in order to increase your vitamin D. You can see here only 8 food items, but actually we have around 20 to 30 food items that if you will eat more, that will help you to increase vitamin D. And in addition, on the right, you can see some dietary requirements. So you can say that you are eating only a veggie food, and immediately all the no-veggie food will disappear. Or you are a bachelor that live in the center of Roma and you don't know how to cook. So you click minimal preparation, and immediately only the mineral preparation food will appear, and so on and so forth. And you can change it from one to each other. So, for example, you can go from vitamin D to hemoglobin and see what are the recommendations for this specific marker. So basically, this solution gives you a solution per marker. You have low D, how can you increase the vitamin D? But some people are more sophisticated than that, and they would like to fix all the issues at once. So for that, we developed what we call a food menu, a food basket. So basically, based on your demographic information, we can tell you, and you can see it on the top, how many calories you should consume. You can drag it to the left or the right. If you want to lose weight, you drag it to the left. If you want to increase weight, you drag it to the right. And then automatically you get a daily menu that will help you to fix all the biomarkers at once. In addition to that, you can lock a food item that you like. For example, if you like potato, you click, you lock the potato, run the algorithm again, potato will stay, all the rest will change. So basically, it helps you to find the food that you like and good for you. In addition, if you look at the bottom, you can come and say that you like dairy and cheese, or you like specifically yogurt, and then run the algorithm again, and that will help you to find the diet that is good for you. So as a bit about about the business. So currently we have thousands of paying customers, and when I'm talking about paying customers, the average payment from a customer is above $200, so it's a big amount of money that they're paying. We have some professional athletes, like the example on the top left. It's a coach of a football team, or in America we call it soccer team. So we have a lot of professional athletes. We have a lot of gyms that working with us, a lot of entrepreneurs as well, as you can see in the top right. We have some physicians that working with us, some yoga studios, and a lot of people like you and me that would like to improve themselves. And I hope that next they will show a video.
I'm Skylar Richards. I'm the head athletic trainer and sports scientist with FC Dallas. Today I'm going to talk about our nutritional approach and how we utilize blood testing. We use a company called Inside Tracker. Inside Tracker is a tremendous blood testing company that analyzes a multitude of different areas of the blood. And what it does is it helps us monitor how our nutritional approach with the team is working and where individually they need to make improvements. In this way, we can customize nutrition plans so that we can help each individual achieve their maximum capabilities. Inside Tracker helps us do this through detailed reports and customized screens that are internet-based so the individual can log in and track their progress themselves.
So I showed you this example because it's, as I said, it's a football team or a soccer team, and I know that it's very popular in Italy. I just want to say that we have at least one professional team from each of the big sports in the US, so it's include NBA, NFL, and so on. So next, let's dive into the product that we have. So by far, the best product that we have called Performance Plan, and that's the highest amount of biomarkers that currently available. It's 20 biomarkers. 80% of our customers are using this plan, and it's pretty expensive. It's $299, but that doesn't scare them, so they are rushing for that. The only problem with the Performance Plan is that you need to go to a lab, and currently we have an agreement with a lab only in the US. So we saw that, again, it's very important for us that people like you can enjoy that. So we introduced a new plan that's called Do It Yourself, or DIY. that basically you can take the result from your physician, upload it into our system, and then it will give you a recommendation. And then we heard the complaint that most of you don't have the result, and also it's hard to get it from the physician, and he does not always want to give it. So we decided that we'll try to get even one step further and develop that, the HomeKit, basically something that you get to your house, you prick your finger, and then mail it back to us, and then we'll tell you what is happening with your body. So we launched it a few weeks ago, and as I said, it's available worldwide, also in Italy. How does it work? So you get that in the mail. You prick your finger and drop a few drops of blood on a piece of paper. You close the envelope, mail it back to us, and a couple of weeks later, we'll tell you exactly what is happening inside your body, like the demo that I showed you before. Then you follow the recommendation, and hopefully a few months later, you test again, see the progress, and I assume that you will find some markers that improve, but some other new markers that suddenly change, so you will refine them. And it's, again, very similar to the analogy of the car. So hopefully by that, you will live to 160 and not to 80. As to the biomarkers that are available in the advanced HomeKit. So we have vitamin D. Vitamin D is a biomarker that we found that around 60% of our customers have low in vitamin D. It's very important for bone, for muscle health. It's very important for the immune system. It's very important for maintaining your weight. So it's a super important biomarkers. The next one is CRP, which is a marker of inflammation that shows whether you have inflammation or not. And again, then we can suggest intervention. The next one is a very cool biomarker called cortisol that basically measures stress. And I assume that most of us are entrepreneurs. You assume that you have a lot of stress, but that can tell you in certainty whether you are under stress or not. And if you are under stress, we can give you some intervention that will help you to improve that. There are a few other biomarkers there, and the price for the advanced HomeKit is $249. As I said, it's available online, and you can find it at insighttracker.com/HomeKit. So that's it. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here in Italy, and I wish you good luck.
Thank you, Gil. Thank you so much.